Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maulana Daffa Ardiansyah, and my student number is 123200130, and I am from class H. So today I will explain about my answer of the quiz. So let's start from number one. Number 1A. So the first that I do is to define the matrix A and matrix B. And for the operation, if you want to use a square root, we just type sqrt, then open bracket, then A to the power of -1 plus B to the power of 2, and then close bracket. And if we want to show the result, we don't need to put the semicolon at the end of the row. Okay, and then for the y, it's just b to the power of 3 and divided by 3 times matrix A. And when we, sorry, when we run the program, it will show like this. Yeah, this is the x, and this is the y. Yes. Okay, let's move on to the second one. So, just like the previous one, first I need to define the matrix value. So I define it. And then for the I, create a new matrix containing the second to third rows and then first to second columns of matrix A. So basically I just put the name of the matrix and then open bracket. So this is the for the rows, the first row, colon, and then the last row, then comma, and then this is for the columns. So like first column, colon, and last column. Then for the second one, it is to reverse the way. Oh, yeah, this is my mistake. Should have put transpose here. Yeah, this is my mistake. Okay. So yeah, for the second one, this should not be in first, but I forgot. Let's just move on. Okay. Okay. Uh, yeah, this should be transpose. Okay. Okay. Uh, okay. Now for the number two, the fuzzy logic. So let's just go straight to the input here. So there is a demand that consists of little, normal, and a lot. So for the little, I make it like this because when the x is less than 20, it will always be 1. The value of the vertical axis will always be 1. The membership value will be 1. So if I if I make it like this, if the x value is 10, the membership will still be 1. Because if I make a triangle, then the 10 will not be in the 1 membership value. So yeah, I use the trap MF here to make it for 4 dots, because the trim MF is only three dots, and I cannot make it like this if there's only 3 dots. If there's only 3 dots, I can only make a triangle like the normal normal MF1. Okay, so for the normal, just like as we can see here in the axis less than 20, it will be 0. Then when the axis more than 60, it also be 0. So it's between 20 to 60. Then for the allowed one, I use same the trap MF as the little one. So in the, yeah, I think there is a typo here. It should be 40, but I don't know. This is my guess. I'm guessing that it is, but okay. It's less than 40, it will be 0. And when it's more than 60, will always be 1. So when there is 100, it will be 1. When there's 1,000, it will be 1 also. Okay. Now let's go to the stop one. Yeah, actually, I don't know, but this a lot why it is the same. But I thought it was a mistake from the question, but I don't know. That's just my opinion. Okay. Is this recording? Yes, it is. Okay. Okay, so the little one, I also use the trap MF, and for the parameters, I use 0, 0, then 25 and 50. The same reason why I use trap MF, because if it's less than 25, the membership will always be 1. Yeah, like that. Then for the normal one, when it is less than 25 and more than 75, membership value will be 0. And so the normal is between 25 and 75. And for the lot, yeah, it's the same, just like the before. Okay, let's just jump on to the rules. Okay, I have inputted the rules as, yeah, the same. Nothing special about this. Okay, so this is for the surfaces, the 3D surface. Yeah, it looks like this. I don't know which is the right one. Okay, okay. Okay, that is all for the number 2, and then let's go straight to the number 3. Okay. So in this number 3, first in the GUI or the GUI, there is three buttons. The first is to show the data, show the data from the CSV file, to show it on the table. Yes, I use data variable, result, the name of the data, and then from the range. And then I set the handles on the UI table 1. And for the clear table, I just set the handles of UI table 1 to be empty. Yes. Okay, so okay, let's just do this. Yeah. So there is no problem with the show table and clear table. Okay, so first uh, we need to get the variables from the input. When we input this in the blank space here, the caret, depth, table, price, and the k value, we input it all and turn it to double from string, because it is from string. And then emit a variable called input1 for the matrix. Then just the OPTS thing. Then put this one. the read matrix, this should be training, but yeah, I changed the name to option 1. This also should be group, but at least fine to change it, right? Yes. Okay, and then this is the class. This is to store the KNN function result to be stored in the class one variable. And then for this one is to predict. So I think this is one is to compare the data that we input first and then to the class. I mean to the KNN result. Then after that, I set the handles of the text 7. Text 7 is this one, is for the result, for the output. The text is text 7. And value is from the classification one. Okay, so for when we run it, right, some table and table there's no problem, but this one, yes, it has problem. It cannot run. As I already asked Anjar, he said, yeah, this is my mistake. It should have not been typed in here. But I think the MATLAB is forgiving because when I save and try to rerun it again, still the same. But when I make a new file, I just copy paste the code and I just change some of the variables name and the tag name. I change it, but there's no problem with this one. I already check it like 1,000 times. It's not in the text. Yeah, I just copy paste the code and put it here. Yeah, it runs as well. Yeah. Yes, premium. It runs as well. So I think this is the MATLAB problem. Maybe I don't know. Okay. Uh, Once again, I want to say thanks to Kak Anjara. He has helped me a lot with this one, with this problem. Okay, I think that is all from my explanation of the quiz answers. Uh, Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.